Billy Goat is pleased to broaden its blower portfolio with the introduction of the Hurricane line of zero-turn stand-on blowers. With the addition of this new flagship line, Billy Goat now offers the broadest, most productive line of blowers on the market, from 6 to 35 gross horsepower. When productivity counts for landscapers, seal coaters, schools, parks departments, sports fields, golf courses, campuses, resorts, cemeteries, and estate properties, Billy Goat's Hurricane blowers deliver the power, speed, durability, and ease of operation that your job and customers demand. In particular, the combination of fatigue-free operation, zero-turn maneuverability, high ground speed, and tri-directional air output accelerates the task so much that more jobs can be completed faster and with less people for the ultimate in cleanup productivity. The Billy Goat Hurricane features a patented quad control handle system, which integrates a self-activating parking brake and operator presence with common zero-turn controls. When the controls are in the outward position, the brake automatically locks so that an operator can park the unit and dismount even on a hill without stalling the machine or having to pull a parking brake like on other units in the market. For smooth and multi-directional airflow, a joystick on the operator control allows the operator to control air discharge to the left, right, or forward direction. Switching from left to right discharge is efficient and ideal when turning around and continuing to blow in the same direction while driving forward. The forward discharge is perfect for clearing paths and driveways. When transporting or when discharge is not required, simply move the joystick to the Close All position and all 3 discharge ports will be closed. In addition, the left discharge features a patented split deflector that allows the operator to split the air into 2 columns of air by setting a pin that keeps the left half of the deflector pushing air in the down position, while the right column continues to discharge air in the up position. This combination helps direct air to both the heavier debris on the bottom of a pile while preventing blowback on the top of the pile, a combination that effectively and efficiently moves leaves forward. The left discharge also features a patented undercut that allows downward blowing when working on hill properties or berms. At 8,500 CFM and 165 mile/hour air velocity, the Z3000 travels 11 miles per hour and can clear up to 1 acre of leaves in 15 minutes, which can significantly increase the amount of area and cleanups a crew can complete in a single day. For slightly smaller or more congested properties, the X3000 with 6,500 CFM and 165 mile/hour air velocity will power through open areas at 9 miles per hour and quickly maneuver around tight spots with incredible ease and efficiently clean up an acre in as little as 20 minutes. Both models feature a torsion-mounted front axle assembly, operator thigh pad, and torsion-mounted operator platform for both smooth ride and operator comfort. Each unit also has LED lights for operation after daylight, which adds to the features that make this machine a landscaper favorite for fast cleanup in the short days of leaf season. There's simply no easier, faster, or more efficient way to blow through a leaf season for you and your team. The Billy Goat Hurricane Z3000 is powered by a 993cc Vanguard V-twin, and the X3000 is powered by a 627cc Vanguard V-twin engine. Both units have a 10-gallon capacity fuel tank for hours of cleanup time before refills. Lastly, integral front and rear tie-downs are available to help secure the unit when in transport. So double down on productivity and finish leaf season with time to spare with Hurricane blowers from Billy Goat.